Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for May 20th, going into the 21st. I'm going to start off with the natural gas. Okay. On the break above 276.90, I said projects this upward 115 ticks plus. We attained 364. A little bit more today, up to 313.80. And a number of other bullish calls in here. I won't go over all those, but the trade above 289.80 also projected this upward 90 ticks minimum, 230 ticks plus maximum. We attained 235 ticks plus a little bit more today before rolling over. Also, we that on Mondays maintained gap higher, left a large bullish reversal below that warrants a higher trade for days / weeks in general. And from the 304.20 open, we've traded up to 313.80. The maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above and negate that medium or large bullish reversal below. Also, decent failure back below this formation right here, which is going to come in at $296.10 plus 0.1 of a tick per hour starting at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That will warrant decent pressure as well. In the crude oil, the maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, crude. I warned we may be, the trade above 85.67 warranted decent strength. We saw $25.26 of that. Number of other bullish calls in here. Then the trade above 95.52 brought in $13.95 of strength. The trade above 98.39 brought in 11.08. And then on 5.11, we left a minor bullish reversal below. We rallied 8.9 from the 94.48 open. I warn we may be in the last stretch of the move up from 55.27 with possible exhaustion at 104.66 to 8.55. We've held that with the 105.21 high and started to roll over. If this rolls over into a full-fledged bearish correction, our minimum target is going to be 86.27. Also, we broke below this line right up in here, which came in at 102.13 plus 7 per hour. By the time we broke below it, it was trading at 102.27, and we have seen pressure down to 96.74. And I said the break below there would project this downward $6 plus. That's going to be shaved a bit, obviously, as the lines moved up. And once again, also, I'd also note that I had said this morning that the RBOB and the heat had just broken below bearish formations, again, leading the downside and giving you a heads up that this was likely going to fail, which it did. And the RBOB, if we leave a maintained gap lower tomorrow, we'll leave a medium bearish reversal above. That'll warrant pressure for days / weeks. We held exhaustion at 191.84 and bounced $1.89, 0.98 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. All of that is on hold. I said the trade below 352.26 projects this downward 17 cents minimum, 47 cents plus maximum. And we have already traded down to 335.73. And if this turns into a full-fledged bearish correction, the minimum target's going to be 306.43. Decent trade back above this line right here is going to warrant a decent strength again. That's going to come in at 354.40. plus 14 per hour starting at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The heating oil and maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. In the heat, we held exhaustion. Around 420, we left a minor bullish reversal below. We rallied 80.63 cents from the 344.86 open. Number of other bullish calls in here. Those are all on hold. We fell down below this formation right here, which I said would warn of pressure. That came in at 393.85, and we've seen pressure down to 379.75. Further break below this lower line is going to warn of continued pressure. That's going to come in at 376.56 plus 12 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Rather see a bounce off of that first before breaking below to give it better form. Also, if this rolls over into a full-fledged bearish correction, the minimum target is going to be 338 even. The Brent, we left a minor bearish reversal above today. Also, if we leave a maintained gap lower tomorrow, that'll leave a medium bearish reversal above as well. And in here on 420, we left a minor bullish reversal below, warned about. We saw $24.70 from the 90.60 open. A number of other bullish calls in here. Those are all on hold now. And I said the trade below 110.60. Now warns of pressure, and we've seen pressure down to 103.24. Decent trade above this formation right here is going to warn decent strength. That's going to come in at 111.40. Minus 1.5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, excuse me. And the gas oil, maintain gap lower tomorrow, would be bearish. And here we've already broken below a few bearish formations today. On 420, we left a minor bullish reversal below, warned about. We rallied 280.25 from the 1023.75 open. A number of other bullish calls in here. And I said get short on a decent penetration below 1194.18. That was a break below this line, and a further break below this line, and we've traded down to 1138. Decent trade back above this line is going to warn a decent strength. That's going to come in at 1183.73 plus 47 per hour starting at, excuse me. Oh, it's comes in 1183.73. Plus 48 per hour, plus 47 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And going into tomorrow, the heating oil is the weakest of the three. The RBOB following suit, and the crude the strongest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.